Android 16, the future of mobile experience. Welcome to this presentation on Android 16, the next big leap in mobile innovation. This update focuses on a smarter, safer, and more personal experience, blending advanced security, professional-grade tools, and richer customization. Introduction. Android 16 introduces a powerful blend of features aimed at improving personalization, security, and professional media support. From progress-based notifications to enhanced camera tools and stronger security, this update redefines how users interact with their devices. Progress-centric notifications. Stay updated in real time with enhanced notifications. Android 16's progress-centric notifications let you track ride shares and deliveries right from your notification panel. They are intelligently prioritized and auto-grouped, reducing clutter and making your screen more organized. User experience and customization. Feel the difference with new haptic sliders that give tactile feedback as you adjust volume or brightness. Enjoy immersive, dynamic live wallpapers with weather, cinematic, and shape-based effects. For tablets, the new desktop windowing system enhances multitasking and flexibility, creating a PC-like experience. Advanced security options. Your safety is Android 16's top priority. The new theft detection lock instantly locks your phone if suspicious movement suggests theft. Offline device lock protects your phone even without internet access. AI-powered scam detection and an advanced protection mode add an extra layer of defense for high-risk users. Pro camera enhancements. Android 16 gives photographers and creators more power than ever. Enjoy pro-level tools like night mode scene detection, hybrid auto exposure, and precise color temperature control. Capture ultra-vivid images with Ultra HDR support and HDR screenshots. Media and codec enhancements. For professionals, the new advanced professional video codec offers high-quality video recording and post-production capabilities. With HEIC encoding and improved Ultra HDR parameters, Android 16 is designed for creators who demand cinematic excellence. Hearing device support. Accessibility gets a major boost with improved hearing device support. Users with low audio hearing aids can switch between the phone's mic and the hearing aid's mic for clearer conversations. Native controls allow easy volume and mode adjustments directly from the phone. Additional security layers. Security continues with multiple protective layers. USB protection guards against unsafe connections, while unknown apps protection blocks unverified installations. Memory tagging extension detects memory-related vulnerabilities, and advanced safe browsing shields you from unsafe links and malicious scripts. Summary. Android 16 is more than just an update, it's a complete experience overhaul. It combines powerful customization, professional camera tools, and unmatched security, making your device truly smarter and safer.